Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: maintaining your natural beauty with natural ingredients. In a world full of synthetic products and harsh chemicals, embracing natural remedies can be incredibly beneficial for your skin, hair, and overall health. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about our skin, a canvas that deserves the best care. Here are 3 natural ingredients you can easily incorporate into your skincare routine. Honey is a wonderful moisturizer. It not only hydrates, but also has antibacterial properties that can help combat acne. Just apply a thin layer of raw honey on your face, leave it on for about 20 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel soft and rejuvenated. Aloe vera is a powerhouse for skincare. It's soothing and can help reduce sunburns, acne scars, or any inflammation. Simply cut a leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to your skin. It's refreshing, especially in hot weather. If you're looking for a nourishing face mask, try mashed avocado. It's full of healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. Mash half an avocado, apply it onto your face, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse off. Your skin will feel plump and hydrated. Next, let's talk about hair. We all want shiny, healthy hair, and guess what? You can achieve it naturally. Coconut oil is an amazing natural conditioner. It penetrates the hair shaft and makes your hair look shiny and healthy. Warm up a tablespoon of coconut oil in your hands and apply it from mid-length to the ends. Leave it in for at least an hour or overnight for deeper conditioning, then wash it out. Here's a tip for shiny hair. Rinse your hair with diluted apple cider vinegar after shampooing. It helps to balance the pH of your scalp, removes product buildup, and adds shine. Mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water. Use it as a rinse and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing out with water. Bananas are not just a tasty snack, they're fantastic for your hair too. Mash 1 banana and mix it with a tablespoon of honey and a splash of olive oil. Apply it to your hair and leave it for about 30 minutes before washing it out. This mask can help with frizz and dryness. Segment 3, Natural Body Care. Host, now let's not forget about our body. How we care for our skin on a larger scale is just as important. Coffee scrub. A natural exfoliating scrub can be made with coffee grounds. Mix leftover coffee grounds with a tablespoon of coconut oil and a little sugar to make a scrub. Use this in the shower to exfoliate dead skin cells and boost circulation. Sugar and olive oil scrub. Another easy scrub is made with sugar and olive oil. Mix 1 cup of sugar with half a cup of olive oil and feel free to add your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Use it to exfoliate your arms, legs and elbows and rinse off for smooth skin. Segment 4, Oral Care. Host, your oral health is also a big part of maintaining natural beauty. Here are a couple of tips. Baking soda toothpaste. Did you know you can make your own toothpaste? Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a teaspoon of coconut oil and a drop of peppermint essential oil. This natural toothpaste can help whiten teeth and freshen breath. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is an ancient practice that can promote oral health. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's believed to help reduce plaque and whiten teeth. Just be sure to spit it out in the trash to avoid clogging your sink. Segment 5, Healthy Lifestyle Tips. Host. Beauty truly starts from within. Let's round off today's tips with some healthy lifestyle habits. Stay hydrated. First on the list, water. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining your skin's elasticity and overall health. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Eat a balanced diet. Nutrients play a significant role in how we feel and look. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals to nourish your body from the inside out. Exercise. Regular physical activity not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also promotes healthy circulation, which can lead to a natural glow. Choose activities you enjoy, whether it's yoga, dancing, or a simple walk in the park. Get enough sleep. Never underestimate the power of good sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. Conclusion, host standing amidst the natural products. Host, remember, everyone's natural beauty shines differently, and that's what makes us unique. By embracing these natural ingredients and habits, we can enhance our beauty while respecting our bodies. Let me know in the comments which tips you're excited to try. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, embrace your natural beauty.